everyone, welcome to Shiprise Learning. In the last lecture we have seen exercise 6.1 of the statistic chapter. In today's lecture we are going to go through the median, that is exercise 6.2, which is based on the median. Median is the new topic, right? In the last lecture we have seen the mean, right? Mean, when we take the mean, when the data is in the small range, right? When the data is not in large account. So at that time we take the mean. But when we use the median, when the data is in the large number, when the data is in the quantity, right? Then at that time we use the median, right? Now what is median? Median, if the numbers in the data are arranged in ascending order, the number at the middle position is called the median of that data, right? Now while after collecting the data, right, when we arrange, what we have to do is we have to arrange it in the ascending form. Ascending form means what? We have to start with the short number. We have to start with the small number, from small number to the largest number. That is the ascending. And what is descending? We start from the largest number to the smallest number. And ascending is when we start from the smallest number to the largest number. That is ascending order. And after assigning it in the ascending order, then we have to pick out the number which is at the middle position. Suppose I have 5 data, right? 5 positions. So I am going to take out the third position, which will be the middle position, right? At that time, then that third one will be the median of that data, right? Now what is the formula for median? For median, that is L plus N by 2 minus CF whole divided by F into H. Now see what are these quantities. That is M for median. L is the lower class limit of the median class. Median class which you are going to select from the middle part, right? That will be the median class. After assigning in the ascending order, the middle position will be your median class. Of that median class, you have to select the lower limit from the class mark. That will be your L plus N by 2. N is the total number of frequencies or the average of the frequencies whole divided by 2 minus CF. CF is the cumulative frequencies whole divided upon frequency. Frequency is what? The class limit which you have selected as a median class. Of that median class, the frequency which is given to that median class, that frequency you have to write here into H. H is the class interval of that median class. Class interval means what? Simply what? It is the class, it is the limit between both upper limit and the lower limit. Yeah, the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. This is the formula. L is for lower class limit of the median class. N is the sum of frequency. H is the class interval of the median class. Frequency of the median class. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Right? I think so you understood the basic. Now the first sum based on the median, right? Now see here, daily number of hours, that will be our class mark. That is 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16. In this case or in this median, the class mark should be continue, right? That should be continuous class mark. Continuous class mark means what? 8 to 10. Now 10 is the upper limit of this class mark, but it should be lower limit of the second class mark. That is 10 to 12. 10 is the lower limit of the second class mark, but it is the upper limit of the preceding class mark, right? So this is called the continuous group, right? Now see here, number of workers, that will be our frequency. 150, 500, 350. Now what you have to do next is cumulative frequency less than the frequency, right? That is cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency? While finding the cumulative frequencies, the first position, the first number will be, we have to write as it is, right? See here, 150 will be the year. Now, how to find the second one? Then for that you have to add 150 with this second number. 150 plus 500, that will be 650. You have to go on adding these numbers. Now 650 plus 300 becomes 950. Now what are you going to do is 950 plus 50. This will be 1000. Right? This is the cumulative frequency. And what is the average of this sigma fi? Sigma fi is equals to 500, 300, 800, 800 plus 150, 950 plus 50. That is 1000. Now see here. What is our formula for median? M is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF whole divided by F into H. Now what is L? I told you L. What you have to do is you have to select one median of the data. Suppose I am going to select median as 300. Now 300 is my median, right? Median of the class is 300. So what I am going to do is, now what is the lower limit of, what is the class limit of this? That is 12 to 14. Now for 12 to 14, what is our lower limit? That will be 12. So lower limit is my 12, right? Now what is n by 2? N by 2 is equals to average, that is average of the frequency whole divided by 2. What is average of frequency? That is 1000. That is 1000 by 2. So this becomes 500. 1000 by 2. So this becomes 500, right? Now what is cumulative frequency and frequency? Now cumulative frequency is what? You have to select any one frequency from this, right? Suppose I am going to select 300, right? Now so, now what is 300? 300 will be the frequency. What is CF? The preceding, it should be the preceding number of this number, frequency. Cumulative frequency should be the preceding number of the frequency, right? So preceding number is 650. So this is my CF, right? CF is 650. Frequency is 300. And what is H? H is the class interval. Class interval, that is class mark. The difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. Now see, what is the difference between upper limit and lower limit? That is 2. Right? Now I am going to substitute this all numbers in this formula. Now M is equals to, what is L here? L is 12. 12 plus N by 2, that is 500. 500 minus CF. CF is 650. Whole divided by F. F is 300. 300 into H. H is 2. Now see here. 12 plus 500 minus 650 becomes 150. But higher sign is minus. So this will become minus 150 whole divided by 300 into 2. Either you can cancel here, reduce from 0, 0, 15 ones are 15, 15, 2s are. So this becomes 12 plus minus 1 by 2 into 2. Right? Now what is 1 by 2 into 2? This becomes 2 gets cancelled. Right? So this becomes 12 plus minus 1. 12 plus minus 1. Plus minus, that is minus. So 12 minus 1 is 11. So median is equals to 11 hours, because our daily numbers of hours, you have to calculate it in hours, right? So median is equals to 11 hours. I think so you have understood this question. Second sum is find the median of the data, right? Now what is the number of mangoes? That will be our class mark. And number of trees, that will be our frequency, right? Now what you have to do, you have to count the mangoes. You have to take on out the average of the mangoes, right? Now see here, class mark 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300. Now see, is it in continuous form? Yes, class mark is in the continuous form. So no need to arrange or rearrange it, right? Now see, number of trees, that is our frequency. 33, 30, 90, 80 and 70. Now what you have to find is cumulative frequency. While finding cumulative frequency, what we are going to do is, we are going to write the first digit or the first number as it is, right? So 33 as it is. Now we are going to add 33 with the 30, addition. So this becomes 63, right? Again, next 63 plus 90. So this becomes 143, 153. Next 153 plus 80. So this becomes 3 and 233. Next, again addition. 233 plus 17. So this becomes 0, carry 1, 4. 240. 63 plus 90. So this will be 250. Now see here, addition of this average frequency is 30 plus 33, that will be 250. Now see, what is our frequency? What is our formula? M is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF whole divided by F into H. Now what is our H? Now see, select any one frequency. This, suppose I am going to select 90 as a frequency. So this is my F. So F, for this the class limit is 150 to 200. So 150 is my lower limit. 150. N by 2, that is 250 by 2. Next, cumulative frequency, preceding number of this frequency, that will be 63. Next is frequency, that is 90, and H. What is the difference? Difference of 50. Right? Now see, I am going to replace it in the formula. M is equals to L plus L is 150. 150 plus N by 2. N by 2 is, that is 250 by 2 minus 63 whole divide by 90 into H, that is 50. Right? Now see here, 150 plus 250 divided by 2, this will becomes 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 125 minus 63 whole divide by 90 into 50. 125 minus 63, so this becomes 150 plus 125 minus 63, so this becomes 2, and 62 upon 90 into 50. Now cancellation, 0 0 gets cancelled. Is there any further? No, there is no reduced form further here. Now 62 into 5, so 150 plus 62 into 5, this becomes 10, and 31 310 whole divide by 9. Now what you have to do here is, you have to divide 310 divide by 9. So this becomes 150 plus, right? 9 3s are 27, and 4 carry 9 4s are 36.4, 34.4, right? Now you have to add this number. Now 184.4. Now see here, 184.4. This is the mangoes. Now how can you write in the point mangoes? No. So you can write approximately 184 mangoes. Right? I think so you have understood this question. I think so you understood this both question. This both question was of the same method, right? Remaining questions we will be seeing in the next lecture. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.